Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free training, I'm just going to be talking about Google Business Profile. I'm going to share with you just a 10,000 square foot view so that you have a good understanding and an overview of what it is, what are the benefits of having a business profile on Google, as well as how to get started. So I'm going to try to keep this video brief, but I'm going to go straight from the horse's mouth now. Google.com/business is where you go in order to actually get started in regards to creating a Google business profile. And this is what it's going to look like right here. So if you actually click on manage now and go to their about section, you get some more information. So I'm going to share this with you as well as the getting started. You have different options here. You can get started as a healthcare provider. You can get started as a restaurant owner. There's different ways as an auto dealership, as a hotel business. So there's different categories. But I'm just going to start with the basic getting started guide for Google businesses. So basically, all you have to do is sign up and verify your business and then optimize your presence online. So let's go ahead and get started. Google Business Profile is an easy to use tool for businesses and organizations to manage their online presence across Google. To help customers find your business, you can verify your business and edit your business information. So they have a small business live stream here, and I'll try to leave this in the description, tips about how to reach more customers online. So that's definitely something that's in my lane right there. Benefits of business profile: manage your information. Manage the information that Google users find when they search for your business or the products and services you offer. When people find your business on Google Maps and search, they can find information like your hours, website, street address. And this is usually what you'll see when you type in something like, say, in your local area. If you're trying to find like, hey, where's the nearest sushi restaurant? And then you have all those results that come up, and then on the right-hand side, if you click on any one of them, you see those hours. You can interact with customers. So they teach you how to edit your business profile here, interact with customers. You can read and respond to reviews from your customers, post photos that show off what you do. Businesses that add photos to their business profile receive 42% more requests for directions on Google Maps and 35% more click-throughs to their websites than businesses that don't. Understand and expand your presence. You can find insights to learn how customers search for your business and where they come from. You can also find information like how many people call your business directly from the phone number displayed on local search results in search and maps. To spread the word about what you offer, you can create and track the performance of smart campaigns. So if you click on get started, it's going to take you to this page here, start building your business profile. This will help you to get discovered by customers on Google search and maps. So I'm just going to put my name as an example. I'm going to type in Jonathan Coates. And I'll type in business, and then I'll choose one of these. So business development service, business management consultant. This is more in the line of what I do right here, business management consultant, because I also do consulting with business managers as well as their CEOs, CFOs, etc. So this is what I'm going to start with, and then click on next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? And this is the location that's going to show up in Google Maps and search when customers are looking for your business. Right now, I'm going to put no, but if you want to go ahead and do that, you click on yes, and you can always make the changes later on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Where do you serve your customers? So let's see, I'm just going to type in Portland, Oregon, Austell, Georgia, Alcala, Philippines, Cagayan Valley, and then I'll click on next. What region is your business based in? So right now, I'm just going to have it in the United States and then click on next. What contact details do you want to show your customer? Now, this is where you put your information in. So you put your phone number in here. I'm just going to go ahead and put my phone number in there. And then I'm going to put my website in right here, Jonathan Coates, jonathancoates.com. And then click on next. So it's going to ask you to verify by actually putting a mailing address, and you can verify it later, but I'm just going to go ahead and go through this process right now. So I'm going to put mine in, and the address you provide here will be hidden from the public. Post offices are not eligible. So I'll go ahead and put my address in there and then click on next. And then it says select the way to get verified. You can choose whether you want it to come through your text, email, or a business video. I'm going to do email code. So it says get a code sent to an email address. Then I'll click on next. And then I'll go ahead and put actual business email that I want to get that code from. Then click on next. So it's asking me for my verification code here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that 5-digit code, paste, verify. You are now verified. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat, and more. So I'm going to click on next. And now we have the actual business hours. Just for the sake of this example, I'm going to leave it as is. Right now, everything's closed. In order for people to reach me, they have to fill out an application and go through a process, appointment/invitation only. So that's just for me personally, but this is where you add your hours at. And then click on next when you're done. Add messaging. I'm not going to accept messages, but you can do that. Let customers message your business on Google for free. I'm going to click on next. And then add a business description. So in my case, I'm just going to put business consultant, keep it brief, and then click on next. Add photos of your business. So it says show off products or services and let customers peek inside your business. So what I did was, just for this example, I went ahead and put the home business blueprint as well as a profile picture from my Instagram. And then I'm going to click on next. And complete our business profile. It says your edits will be visible once you're verified. You can continue to make updates to your profile at any time. All your edits will be visible to customers on Google once you've been verified. So now I'll click on continue. It says that your business is not visible to customers. So Google is processing your verification. It usually takes a few minutes. And this is what mine looks like right here. So my service areas are Abingdon, Maryland, Alcala and Cagayan Valley, Philippines, and 2 other areas, Austell, Georgia, as well as Portland, Oregon. And my hours, if I were to add hours, and then photos. And I just wanted to walk you through that. Now, again, if you're a hotel business or you're an auto dealership or you're a healthcare provider, click on these specific categories right here and walk through that process, and you can use this video for reference. And I'll leave all of this information in the description as far as like about what I read to you in the beginning of the video, and this main page here, google.com/business, so that you can go ahead and get started, create your Google business profile. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel. Check out my website, jonathancoast.com. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this video, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.